World's famous bridge, Golden Gate Bridge, is in _ A. San Francisco B. New Delhi C. France D. Sydney. 41. Which country is called Land of Thousand Islands? A. Malaysia B. Indonesia C. Ireland D. Finland. 42. Indonesia is an archipelago comprising approximately islands. A. 10,000 B. 12,500 C. 15,000 D. 17,500. 43. Which country is called the Land of Golden Fiber? A. United States B. South Korea C. Bangladesh D. India. 44. Which country is called the Land of Thousand Lakes? A. Indonesia B. Finland C. Iceland D. Scotland. 45. Vienna is the capital of A. Austria B. Switzerland C. Cyprus D. Denmark. General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 6. 46. The capital of Czech Republic is A. Nicosia B. Dublin C. Bern D. Prague. 47. AFP is the news agency of A. Germany B. France C. Syria D. Yemen. 48. Antara is the news agency of A. Indonesia B. Syria C. Yemen D. Jordan. 49. Emirates is an airline of A. Saudi Arabia B. Qatar C. UAE D. Malaysia. 50. Qantas is an airline of A. Saudi Arabia B. Australia C. UAE D. Malaysia. 51. The Temple of Heaven, a religious building, is located in A. Edinburgh B. Rome C. Beijing D. Shanghai. 52. The mine, Super Pit, is Australia's largest mine. A. Gold B. Silver C. Copper D. Coal. 53. What was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? A. American B. British C. German D. Swedish. 54. The first Nobel Prize was awarded in A. 1895 B. 1901 C. 1907 D. 1913. General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 7. 55. The Nobel Prize has been awarded in fields. A. 5B. 6C. 7D. 8. 56. The Li River is located in A. China B. Japan C. South Korea D. North Korea. 57. SANA is the news agency of A. Saudi Arabia B. UAE C. Syria D. Yemen. 58. Sabah is the news agency of A. Indonesia B. Syria C. Yemen D. Jordan. 59. KLM is an airline of A. Australia B. Germany C. Netherlands D. Austria. 60. Etihad Airways is an airline of A. United Arab Emirates B. Qatar C. Russia D. Canada. 61. The Earth's surface is divided in continents. A. 5B. 6C. 7D. 8. 62. The largest continent by area of the world is A. Asia B. Europe C. Africa D. North America. General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 8. 63. The second largest continent by area of the world is underscore. A. Asia B. Europe C. Africa D. North America. 64. The smallest continent by area of the world is underscore. A. Antarctica B. Australia C. Africa D. Europe. 65. The Earth's oceanic water is divided in underscore, oceans. A. 5b, 6c, 7d, 8. 66. The Earth's largest ocean is underscore. A. Atlantic B. Arctic C. Indian D. Pacific. 67. The Earth's second largest ocean is underscore. A. Atlantic B. Arctic C. Indian D. Pacific. 68. The Earth's smallest ocean is underscore. A. Atlantic B. Arctic C. Indian D. Pacific. 69. The world's largest lake is A. Caspian Sea B. Lake Superior C. Lake Victoria D. Great Bear Lake. 70. The hottest desert of the world is A. Sahara Desert B. Arabian Desert C. Khalistan Desert D. Arctic Desert. General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 9. 71. The first Secretary-General of United Nations was A. Dag Hammarskjöld B. Kurt Waldheim C. U Thant D. Trig Lai. 72. World War I was began in A. 1912 B. 1914 C. 1916 D. 1918. 73. World War I was ended in A. 1912 B. 1914 C. 1916 D. 1918. 74. World War II was began in A. 1935 B. 1937 C. 1939 D. 1941. 75. World War II was ended in A. 1939 B. 1941 C. 1943 D. 1945. 76. The world's deadliest conflict was A. World War I B. World War II C. Mongol conquests D. Taiping Rebellion. 77. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on A. the 3rd of August 1945 B. the 6th of August 1945 C. the 9th of August 1945 D. the 12th of August 1945. 78. What was the name of atomic bomb that dropped on the city of Hiroshima? A. Little Boy B. Fat Boy C. Little Man D. Fat Man. General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 10. 79. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki on A. the 3rd of August 1945 B. the 6th of August 1945 C. the 9th of August 1945 D. the 12th of August 1945 80. What was the name of atomic bomb that dropped on the city of Nagasaki? A. Little Boy B. Fat Boy C. Little Man D. Fat Man. 81. NATO is A. an underscore, alliance. A. Military B. Economic C. Regional D. Cultural. 82. The oldest news agency in the world is A. AFP B. WAFAC. BBCD. CNN. 83. The Suez Canal is in underscore. A. Nigeria B. Libya C. Egypt D. Palestine. 84. The Delaware River is in underscore. A. United States B. Canada C. China D. United Kingdom. 85. The main structural work of the Eiffel Tower was completed in A. 1883 B. 1885 c. 1887 d. 1889. 86. The height of Eiffel Tower is feet. A. 1063 b. 1067 c. 1073 d. 1077. 87. Reuters is the news agency of A. United States b. United Kingdom c. France d. Germany General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 11. 88. WAFA is the news agency of A. Palestine b. Iraq c. Qatar d. Egypt. 89. The capital of Saudi Arabia is A. Makkah b. Medina c. Taif d. Riyadh. 90. The currency of Qatar is A. Dollar b. Dinar c. Dirham d. Rial. 91. Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) was founded on A. September 25, 1966 b. September 25, 1967 c. September 25, 1989 d. September 25, 1969. 92. The OIC was founded in A. Saudi Arabia b. Iraq c. Qatar d. Morocco. 93. The Sixth Organ, Trusteeship Council, of the United Nations suspended operation on November 1, 1994, with the independence of A. Chad b. Sudan c. Palau d. Tunisia. 94. The United Nations has principal organs. A. 4b. 5c. 6d. 7. 95. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) was founded on A. The 27th of December 1944 b. The 27th of December 1945 c. The 27th of December 1946 d. The 27th of December 1947 General Knowledge MCQS. Prepared by Muhammad Tahir Bazdar, 030138844424, page 12. 96. The social networking site, Twitter, was launched on A. July 15, 2003 b. July 15, 2004 c. July 15, 2005 d. July 15, 2006. 97. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) was formed in A. 1958 b. 1960 c. 1962 d. 1964. 98. The 8th of March is observed internationally as A. Women's Day b. World Water Day c. World Health Day d. Human Rights Day. 99. The 22nd of March is observed internationally as A. Women's Day b. World Water Day c. World Health Day d. Human Rights Day. 100. The 7th of April is observed internationally as A. Women's Day b. World Water Day c. World Health Day d. Human Rights Day.